had big jobs, but the stress was too much. It was time to escape. So, they packed their bags, got on a plane, and flew to Spain. Welcome to Ricky and Brenda's The Great Escape.
So welcome back channel. Today we are walking around Granada Centro. No agenda, just bringing you along on a busy Sunday so that you can have an idea what the Centro looks like on a Sunday. This is another path to go up to the Alhambra. So here's the part where you start walking and you come across a new path. So this one here, obviously we never taken. So this way takes us here, which we took a video of it before. It's just that we never took that little pathway there. Way up there, there's a bunch of people coming in, and you can see them. That's like the highest tower of the Alhambra. I've also done a video of that. I looked at the weather app earlier, didn't notice that it was gonna rain. It's drizzling right now, but it does say likely to have some storms later.
Thank you for joining us, and like always, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can continue making more videos. Again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Primera Production.